Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Atitolu Alokpe and you're welcome to 30 Space. So in today's video we'll be making use of some rubber bands, comb, big comb, picking comb, gel, edge control, a crochet pin and some hair extension, and that is because we are about to make Bantu knot. Yes, you heard me right. Bantu knot is a very indigenous hairstyle of African women and it is also very beautiful at that. So before I continue, make sure you like, drop your comments as you watch, subscribe. Let me know, especially in the comment section, if you would like to continue seeing videos like this, and most importantly subscribe. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and turn on post notification in case I am dropping new videos. So you want to continue with parting your hair into sections, and let me let you know that it is fine to struggle with this part. You can always seek assistance with that. So you just want to part your hair into sections as seen, after which you are going to further divide it into smaller sections. You kind of want to form like a box. Yes, I intentionally left this in the video so you can see that it is totally fine to struggle with it. I went from using my right hand to using my left hand just to be able to get it right. But after getting it right, you just want to hold that down with a rubber band and make sure you are not making that too tight. Next, you want to repeat that for the rest of your hair. After doing that, you want to take one section at a time. Add the gel for easy gripping and grabbing. After adding the gel, using a small rubber band, hold that down, but like I said, make sure it is not too tight, because after rolling the hair it is going to end up tight and you don't want your hair too tight. So you are just going to braid that down up to a desired length, but I braided mine to the end. So when you're done with that, using a crochet pin, you are going to insert the hair extension into your natural hair in a way that it forms two strands, and using your natural hair as the third strand, you're going to braid that down. So you just want to braid the hair up to some point and twist the remaining, then you try and form a knot. Yes, that is where it is getting from, Bantu knot. So when you're done with that, repeat the same step for the other sections of the hair. You add the gel to grab, braid the hair, add the hair extension, continue to braid, you twist, and then you form a knot. Also, I would like to state that you roll from beneath and not from the top, because you're trying to tighten the hair so you don't end up with something so loose. So you make sure you roll it from beneath, just like you can see. And I would like to state that this entire hairstyle took me nothing more than about 35 minutes, so it is something that can easily be done. The major work is just the pattern, and when you're done with that, the knots and everything else is just very easy. So next, you just want to continue to braid and repeat the same process. Please do not forget to like, just like I've said, like this video, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So you're just going to braid that down and then form a knot. As you can see, it is okay not to get it right at first, but try again. You're just going to get it at the end of the day, because it is something quite simple and easy to do. It doesn't take time and it takes little or less energy. So you're just going to do that for the rest of the hair. And then you know that feeling when you've been meaning to do something and then you try it and then it just turns out just as good as you have imagined. You don't have no option but to do this little dance that I'm doing here, and then you think more about it and then you do more dance. You just have to drop the hair at some point and do the dance very well. Yes, I had to take a little dance break there. Anyways, that was just me making myself happy. So make me happy too by subscribing. Continue to make me happy by subscribing. Yes. And for the finishing look, I added gel.